In this video, we'll be looking at 45, 45, 90 triangles, or you might also think of them as isosceles right triangles. The leg is half the hypotenuse times the square root of 2, or the hypotenuse is the leg times the square root of 2. So if we have an isosceles right triangle, that means that our angles are going to be 45 degrees. If we know that our hypotenuse is 10, then our sides are going to be half the hypotenuse times the square root of 2. If we know that our leg is 3, then we know the other one is also 3, and we know the hypotenuse will be 3 root 2. So if you're given the hypotenuse, just take half of it times the square root of 2. If you're given the leg, just multiply the leg by the square root of 2 to get the hypotenuse. Let's use these relationships to evaluate. 7 times the sine of 45. So I would use 1 root 2 as my side ratios. So my sine of 45 is going to be the side opposite, and since these are both 45s, it doesn't matter which one you take. Side opposite over the hypotenuse, so 1 over the square root of 2. When I multiply here, I get 7 over the square root of 2, but then I need to rationalize that denominator, so I'll multiply top and bottom by square root of 2 to get 7 square root of 2 over 2. Let's evaluate 10 over root 5 times the tangent of 45. Tangent of 45 and I'm going to use 1 root 2, and we can see that tangent is defined as opposite over adjacent, so the tangent of 45 is just 1. So I have 10 over root 5 multiplied by 1, which is just 10 over root 5. Then I need to rationalize my denominator by multiplying top and bottom by that denominator. And I get 10 root 5 over 5. Now I can simplify here, divide both of these by 5, and I see that this expression is equal to 2 times the square root of 5.